Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video, we are going to see C Sharp method overloading. So, method overloading is the one which will overcome the problem of writing same method for uh, different kinds of type data type parameters. So let's see with an example to understand better. See, method overloading we can write multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. Here see, having the same method, my method, where it will accept the integer type parameter, where the same method which will have a return type as int, the same method will have return type as float, and same method will get the parameter as float type. So like this we can do one single parameter or two double parameters, like this we can do. So same name with different parameters is nothing but method overloading. Same method name, but when it comes to passing parameters it will differ, so that we can differentiate two methods likewise. So this is called method overloading. If you consider one example, so why we have this method loading means the problem to see same plussing. I'm just adding the parameters which I am passing to this method. The method name is plus method int. Wherever I'm passing the two parameters that is of int type, so I'm adding that those two. So whereas plus the method double, where I'm passing two parameters that is of double type, where I'm returning x plus y, the same return x plus y, then why we have two different methods with two different names, whereas operation is same. So you can see here we have two methods that will add the numbers of different types. So here see, in the main method we are calling that plus int method with the two integer parameters, and plus method double with two double parameters, whereas the resultant are int and double respectively. I am just printing those values. So to overcome these to have the two different kinds of names, so we can have the same name for the two methods, where we can uh, change the what we'll call as parameters, like which we are passing. So that thing we can do by using this method overloading. See, instead of defining two methods that should have the same thing, it is better to overload one. So when we can overload one thing, in this example below you can see we've overloaded the plus method to work for both int and double. So we have the same method whenever you pass. Here is the plus method, 8 comma 5, whenever you pass integer it will go in and it will go to this method. Whenever you call with plus double plus method, with the double parameters, it will go to this method. So instead of having two different methods, two different names of that method, you can have the same name for that method, but you can differentiate that method by using this parameters type. So here we are two integer parameter type, here we are two double parameter. So based upon the parameters, it will choose which method to be called. So like this we can do. So this is the example of a method overloading. So you can try this example so that you'll understand better. So see, plus method, where I'm adding two double numbers and two integers, 8 plus 5, 13. Answer we are getting same method. So you can change the method name and you can do the same operation. So if you want the same method name but the operation should be different, or parameters to be different, then it will choose which method you are calling based upon the parameter types. So this is called method overloading. Multiple methods can have the same name as long as the number and type of the parameters are different, where you can see parameters are different. So if you have you can also tell this me like if I have three parameters as integers only, for example, so at the time what it will happen the same. So based upon the parameters, it will conclude that which method you have to call. Even if the name is different, it will decide which method you are calling. Likewise, here see three parameters, here two parameters. So you can see the output, right? So three parameter summation will get 4 plus 3 plus 6. See, I'm having added here plus z. So here, whenever you add plus the three parameters, 3 plus 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 6, you will add up and get the answer as 13. So see, like this you can do. So based upon the number of parameters and type of parameters, it will decide which parameter it is, even if the method name is same. So if you are using same method name, you should make the differences in the parameters, either maybe in the case of type or in case of a number of parameters, so that it will go to the correct method and it will give the resultant outputs as a return type. So this is all about multiple methods will have the same name and the number as long as the number and type of parameters are different. So this is called method overloading. Hope you have understood this concept. If any you have any further doubts, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. We'll definitely reply to your comments. You can try this example by opening this W3 Schools website, where you can where you will have it this trait editor where you can alter the code and check the changes at that particular instant only. No need to have IDE in your system, so you can check this thing in a online through this trait editor. Hope this video will help you to understand better. Already, we have done so many videos in C Sharps to before this video. Just go and refer to the previous parts of this tutorial, C Sharp tutorial. Not only C Sharp, we have done HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, all the web development concepts in our channel. Subscribe to our channel for many more videos like this, and go to my playlist where you will find all the playlists. Just go and watch those videos. Any one of my video may help you to get the things better. So like this video and share this videos to your friends and colleagues who are at learning stage of web development and C sharp kind of things, who are related to .NET development. These videos will definitely help them to learn the C sharp programming language. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.